Hi students, a hearty welcome from the Grace College of Engineering, which is located at Chittoor. And this is G. Bessia Angel, Assistant Professor at the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And today I am going to teach about the encoder and decoder experiment for the laboratory of linear and digital integrated circuit having the code WE8461, and this is a laboratory for the second year students at their fourth semester. So let us enter into the encoder and decoder experiment. The main aim of this experiment is to design and implement the circuit using your logic gate. So the apparatus requirements are IC 7431 OR gate and 7408 AND gate and 7404 NOT gate. And in order to place this IC with the help of your connecting wires, we need a IC trainer kit. So let us see the image of this one. So this is a IC trainer kit. If you switch on the IC trainer kit, then you place the component in this holes. You may construct the circuit diagram as per your manual. So in order to connect this component in the corresponding pin of the IC gates, we need the connecting wires. So this is how the connecting wires are look like. Okay, so this is the breadboard which is inbuilt in our IC trainer kit. Okay, so here we are having the row wise connection points, and here we are connecting horizontally. Here we can connect the component in vertical manner and horizontal manner like this. Okay. So when you connect this, every ICs have 14 and 7. So every chip will have 14 and 7th pin. So the 14th pin is meant for your VCC. Here we need to supply the component with the 5 volt. So you have to give the VCC as 5 volt, and you make the each component to your ground as per the diagram. Okay, and then here what are the gate we are using means, what are the gate we will want to use means OR and NOT. So the images are OR and NOT. Okay, so these are the gates we are using for this experiment. When you place in this breadboard of your IC trainer kit, and you make the circuit as per your diagram in the manual. So this is the main thing we want to do in the laboratory manually. So after that, this is how we can connect every experiment in your IC trainer kit. Here also we are having encoder and decoder circuit diagram and truth table. This is your circuit diagram, and this is your truth table for your encoder. And similarly we are having the circuit diagram for your decoder, and also for your also a truth table for your decoder. Before that, let me know what is the operation behind in your encoder and decoder. Okay, so for that, so let us discuss about the encoder. So what is the encoder? So the encoder is a digital circuit, has 2 to the power of n input lines and n output lines. The output line generate a binary code corresponding to the input value 8. So the 3 encoder cycle have 8 input, one for each of the octal digit, and 3 output that generate the corresponding binary number. Okay, so this is the encoder, and its operation also include in this. And then what is a decoder, what is the operation, we have to see. So what is a decoder means, it is a combinational circuit that convert binary information from n input line to n unique output line in 2 to 4 line decoder, the three inputs are decoded into right output, in which each output representing one of the min term of two input variable. So this is the decoder, and its operation will be defined. uh, After that, here we are having your logic diagram and two table for your encoder. So yeah, we need a two, yeah, 7432 OR gate to construct the circuit in your trainer kit. So for that we are having 8 input and 3 outputs. So it will be named as D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So your output will be named as A, B, C. Okay, so the two table, where after you construct the after after you construct the logic diagram, you have to verify your input with your output as per your two table. So when you give the input, first input as per the two table, you are getting the output as 0 for all the A, B, C. And similarly, when you give the second input, which is given in your two table, you are getting the 1 in your C output. Okay, so in this circuit, when you construct this circuit in your trainer kit, for the second input, your C will be blink with the help of your LED light. Okay, similarly you can give the 8 input for the circuit as per the two table in order to verify your output as per your two table. So for the eighth one, if you give this input 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 for every corresponding bits, means you are getting A, B, C as a high value. So all the LED bulb which are connected in the output side will glow. Okay, so similarly we are having the decoder one. Here we are having the line input S1, S0. So here your output will be, here we are taking the two input, right? So we are as per our definition of the decoder, when you give two input, we are getting four output for this decoder. Here based on this input, we are having this output. So when you give the S1 and S2 as 0, your output will have like this. So in the bit of D0, the LED will be glow. And here also we need two AND gate to construct this diagram in your trainer kit, and also a NOT gate is required for your construction part. So after your construction, you have to verify your input with your output as per the circuit diagram. So in order to get a concept of verifying this truth table for both the circuit, I'm just uh, I'm just getting to the multisim software. Okay, so you can construct the encoder and decoder in your multisim software like this, as per my circuit diagram, which is shown in my manual. Here I am construct the encoder. So for that I am taking the component, this OR gates from the place, and after that I'm going to component, and in this one, all groups, in the all groups I'm going for a 74 LS series, and in this series I'm getting the OR gate. Okay, so what is the OR gate? Let me see in this series. So here I'm getting the OR gate like this. So here my OR gate is there. So this is how I can get the OR gate from this place, component and all groups. Okay, here I want to give the input for all the OR gate. For the corresponding OR gate, I am taking the source and after that I click the digital source, and in this one active inactive digital constant I'm selecting, and I just click the OK, means I will give the input for all the gate. So I will the so this is how I can get the input for all the OR gate. Okay, so similarly for your input so output side, we need the LED probe. So for that I'm going for the place, and after that I'm getting into component, and in that one I'm selecting basic, and in that one I'm having indicator. So I'm sorry. So in the all group itself I'm having the indicator. So in this one I'm having the prop. So in this one I'm selecting one of the prop from the component. Here I'm taking one prop, that is here. So I'm just copy this prop for B and C, and I just connected to my R gauge. So now I am going to run for my in order to verify the true table. Okay, here I'm giving the seventh bit of my input as 1. So for that I'm want to get the output as A B C as 1. Okay, so this is I want to verify. So here I'm just run the simulation. So all the LED of my output will all my LED that is glow now. Okay, so as per the true table it will be glow. So this is how we can verify your true table uh, with the help of your circuit diagram in manual using your IC trainer kit, and simultaneously you can use your software multisim to verify your encoder true table. Okay, so like that you can verify your decoder circuit diagram. Here I construct the decoder one. For that I giving the input as 1 and 1. In this constant I gave 1 and 1 in order to get the in order to get the output D3 as 1. Okay, so here I take this input to verify this output. Okay, so just click the run button, and here your D3 is clone. Okay, this is how you have to verify your circuit with the help of your two table for decoder and encoder, by using your trainer kit in manual and multisim software for your simulation. So you can understood the concept of your decoder encoder by this one. So thank you for watching. Thank you, students.